Curator, definition and examples. Definition. The person who works in a museum as a custodian or is appointed to be the keeper of a specific collection is typically defined as a curator. As a rule, the responsibilities of a curator include taking care of a specific artwork or a set thereof, e.g., a collection. While the time frame of the identified role is typically restricted by the deadline of the exhibition, a curator may also assume the role of a keeper of artworks in the museum and not in the chosen exhibition. Consequently, the job of a curator may be either temporary or permanent. It should be noted, though, that a curator is typically assigned to address a particular collection. Traditionally, the responsibilities of a curator involve arranging the information about the target items, as well as assembling the collection, managing the records of the items that it comprises, presenting the collection and its elements, etc. For the curators whose role extends beyond representing a particular collection during a specific exhibition, the responsibilities may include preserving collections, adding new items to them, running funds and grants, recruiting volunteers and new staff members, etc. Consequently, it is required that the curator should possess a significant amount of knowledge about not only the artist that they are supposed to represent but also the cultural, aesthetic, social, political, and other factors that shape the artist's vision. Furthermore, basic knowledge about the artistic movement to which the works are represented in the gallery is required. A successful curator, however, is also able to represent the art pieces and their creator in a truly unique and original manner that will help the audience relate to the artist. Examples. Anthony Elms, who orchestrated Champagne Life in 2014, can be viewed as a perfect example of a curator. Elms helped place the artworks represented during the exhibition in context, thus helping the viewers connect to the author easily and immerse themselves in the process of observing the art pieces completely. Elms also plays the role of a curator consultant, shedding light on some of the most convoluted aspects of organizing an exhibition, arranging the art pieces in a manner that will attract the attention of the audiences, and providing the essential elements of the artist's backgrounds. He managed to create a truly unique atmosphere during the Champagne Life. Another curator who deserves recognition as a contributor to the success of the Saatchi Gallery and the associated exhibitions, Rebecca Wilson, not only represents artists but also manages the work of other curators in the institution. Rebecca's most recent work involved orchestrating the Other Art Fair in Sydney. Known as the chief curator, she is at the helm of a range of initiatives. Being the vice president of the art advisory at Saatchi, Rebecca can be viewed as the main voice behind most of the Saatchi initiatives related to the search and recognition of new and aspiring artists. Her careful selection of art pieces for the gallery, as well as their arrangement, points directly to the fact that she was literally made not only for representation but also for reinterpretation and reinvention of art. The ensembles that she creates prompt bold and insightful ideas, and the initiatives that she suggests open a plethora of opportunities for both new artists and those who have already perpetuated their ideas and art pieces in the history of the 21st century.